Today we're in Gordonville, Texas at Rock Creek Resort, cleaning out a water main for our customer. They have us here doing ice pigging because they have color and taste issues in the water. Ice pigging is an advanced pipeline cleaning technology where we use an ice slurry to clean out the lines. If you've never heard of ice pigging, it's a really great technology to try for pipe cleaning. The ice being a fluid, it's able to conform to different size pipes and bends and shapes that a lot of other technologies aren't able to do in the industry. And this tank is full of 10 tons of ice. And all this ice is going to get pumped in through this 2.5-inch hose into the fire hydrant that'll take it down into the main and then out to the discharge point about 3,000 feet away. So now we're down here at the discharge end. We have 2 hoses. One hose goes from the fire hydrant in through the FAS. The FAS is known as the flow analysis system. The flow analysis system is going to take a bunch of numbers. It's going to take the flow, it's going to totalize the number of gallons we've used for each push, the pressure, the temperature, the turbidity, and the conductivity. The conductivity is that salt content from the ice. So once the water runs through the FAS, it comes out at the other side and it runs through the hose to the discharge point where the displaced water in front of the pig will come out, and we register that so we make sure that when we're done with the ice pigging that we got all the ice out of the line so you could put the system back to normal. In a typical ice pigging job, we could have a whole project done in under 2 hours.